What if the secret to saving your teeth has been growing on your head all along? Scientists in London have just revealed something that sounds almost like science fiction. A toothpaste made from human hair, and it might actually repair your teeth better than fluoride. For decades, fluoride has been our best defense against tooth decay. It works by slowing down enamel erosion, making our teeth more resistant to acid. But there's a catch. Fluoride can't bring back what's already lost. Once enamel is gone, it's gone forever. And that's why dentists still drill and fill cavities today. But researchers at King's College London may have changed that story. They discovered that keratin, the strong protein found in our hair, our nails, and even in sheep's wool, can do something fluoride never could. When keratin interacts with the minerals already present in your saliva, it forms a crystal-like scaffold across the surface of your teeth. That scaffold doesn't just protect enamel from further erosion, it actually attracts calcium and phosphate, slowly rebuilding an enamel-like layer. In other words, instead of only defending teeth, keratin helps them regenerate. The results are astonishing. Not only can this hair-derived compound restore lost enamel, but it can also cover sensitive areas and protect exposed nerves, potentially ending the sharp zaps of pain millions of people feel every day. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Keratin is sustainable. Instead of relying on mined chemicals or plastics, this new approach uses what we normally throw away: human hair clippings or wool that would otherwise be discarded. In a world drowning in waste, the very stuff we trim off in salons and sweep up from the floor might soon become the raw material that keeps our teeth healthy for life. This breakthrough could take shape in several forms: a daily toothpaste that looks and feels just like the one you already use, or a professional treatment applied by a dentist like a thin, protective gel. According to researchers, we could see keratin-based toothpaste on shelves within the next 2 to 3 years. Imagine a world where cavities don't mean drills, where a trip to the dentist is less about filling holes and more about reinforcing what nature gave you. A world where hair waste becomes healing and your smile has the power to rebuild itself. The future of dentistry may already be growing on your head. So here's the question: would you brush your teeth with hair?